Hey guys, short answer up front. I can't help you copy someone else's Roblox game without their permission. That's privacy. Uh, privacy inviolates Roblox's rules in intellectual property law. But I can show you how, or I can show you every legit allowed way to duplicate or reuse your own places or assets, or to recreate mechanics, ethically, including handy studio workflows that make copying your own work fast. Alright? Quick legal note: don't copy other people's games or assets without permission. Using someone else's assets or entire game logic without consent is a terms of service / copyright problem and can get accounts banned or content removed. Ask for permission, collaborate, or remake mechanics from scratch. That's allowed. If it's your game or asset, how to duplicate them, right? Method A: open the Roblox Studio or the Roblox Marketplace. Not the Roblox, excuse me. Right here. Roblox Create. Right? And open the source place, basically. Right? And open second studio window and load the target place file and then open. Alright. In the source Windows Explorer, select the things you want to copy: workspace, objects, replicated storage, server, script services, scripts, starter, GUI, UI, lighting, terrain, etc. Alright. Okay. And hold Control on Mac or CMD on Mac to multi-select, or select the top nodes to select groups. Right? Press Control plus C or CMD plus C to copy. Switch to the Target Studio window and Control plus V to paste. Fix any asset preferences like IDs, module scripts, paths, and test. Publish and place. Right? Publish the place file and then publish that to Roblox once it works. Use this when you own both places. Right? Works well for moving parts, scripts, UIs, terrain, chunks, etc. Method B: export. Good for full backups or moving an entire place between accounts you own. In Studio, open the place you want to basically. Excuse me, right here. There we go. Yeah. Open the place you want to save. Hit File, Save As, and choose File and save it locally. You will get RBXL or RBXLX. Once on the target account or machine, hit File, Open, select the RBXLX file, make changes, and publish to Roblox and create a new place under your account or universe. Use this to move a full place when you can't easily open both places at once. Method C: save models or items to your inventory. Select a model or object in Explorer, right click, right? Save to Roblox or export section and save as a model. Give it a name and description. It becomes part of My Models in the toolbox. In any other place, open Toolbox, My Models, then drag the model into the scene. This is the cleanest way to reuse commonly used preferables across multiple games. All right. Method C, or excuse me, method B, D: export or import specific assets, meshes, images, audio. Right, in the in the studio, right? Export selection or use asset manager to upload images or sprites. Upload via the develop my creations decalls images page, then reference by ID. All right. Audio: upload through create audio, then use the ID in the sound ID. All right. So if you want to create someone else's mechanics, the ethical learning path: play and analyze, node mechanics, UI flow, and timing. Break the mechanics into parts: input, logic, physics, UI, networking. Prototype, small pieces in Studio, like make jump script, then add cooldowns. Use tutorials and models. Search Roblox dev form on YouTube. In the developer hub for examples, movement, inventory systems, matchmaking. Use free models sparingly, right? I prefer authored code or inspect how public models solve problems and re-implement in your style. Okay, practical checklist before copying or merging content. Are you the owner of the, or do you have the owner's permission? If you have, just proceed. Is the asset free to reuse? Like creator allowed it? Proceed with credit. Do you have backups? Always have RBXLX before big changes. Did you test the server or client boundaries, like server script service versus starter player scripts? Very important for networked gameplay, right? So, final advice: think of games like gardens. You can transplant your own roses anywhere. You can admire your neighbor's flowers, but you don't yank them out of their soil. Learn how they grow, plant your own seed, and soon your garden will be the one people copy, the legit way. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.